Hey guys, check this out. Something new coming. This is a Platinum Series cart. You guys have seen that before. The power crib. We got a full power drawer add-on for any Platinum cart. Platinum 56, Platinum 67, 84. It is fully customizable.
New accessories for your shelves.
Shelves, hooks, all that. All these accessories will be for the hutches as well. You can do whatever you like. So power bank up here, you guys have seen that before. Looks pretty similar to the power drawer. This thing is cool. Like I said, you can put that on any Platinum level. TLC locking handle, just like your box, fully matching. Check out the power crib.